Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel payment on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom side of your screen you should access your account, and then you should see My Orders section, and here tap View All button right here to see all your orders. And here from the list of your orders you want to find the order that you just paid for. It will usually be in the section to ship at the top right here if your payment went through. So if the seller hasn't shipped the item yet, tap on the order to open its details and then find button Cancel Order. Then choose a reason why I want to do cancellation of that order, and do not forget to submit the cancellation request, because the seller needs to approve the cancellation before the order is fully cancelled. Once the seller accepts your cancellation, the payment will be automatically refunded to your original payment method. And usually your money is returned in 3 to 20 business days, depending on your payment method. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.